Hello everyone, this is Vishal here from Vision Language Experts. I have Karan with me who recently smashed his PG scores. Guys, he got 8 each. Now his journey is very special. Yes, it was a very long journey, but it was very special with a lot of ups and downs. Today we will not be talking much about PT, we'll be talking about the journey, we'll be talking about his ups and downs, what we have learned from the journey itself, and what mistakes he made so that we can avoid them and we can get it in the very first go. First of all, how are you feeling, Karan, today?
I'm feeling very happy, especially for this day. I've been waiting for this day seriously for a long time, and actually the day come. And every time, whenever I just open Facebook and I saw the videos from my fellow students or from others, like they are coming and they're just getting the scores, and I was just always thinking when I will come to sit here and someone will take my interview personally seriously. So it's so
I think it was worth a while, isn't it?
yeah.
That today we have done it. Now, yes, guys, as he was saying, he has waited very long. I think met him a couple of years back. We started Nati and then he was struggling in PT. He started his PT a little bit late. He was aiming for 7 each first. He got the 7 each in a couple of attempts. Then he tried 8 each on his own. Now, the very first thing which I want to discuss or emphasize is that he tried to took coaching from different institutes, different places, but it did not work for him. He then started his journey on a phone, and then he, basically was doing everything on his own. He was not taking any guidance or anything. He tried a lot of times to get his score done, but he was missing by a couple of points here and there. And whenever he started taking some guidance from somewhere, his scores went drastically down. That's what we were discussing, that when he was doing on his own he was getting good scores, but when he started taking some guidance from somewhere, his scores started going down. So that's why he was very upset. A lot of times we were having a chat in between that how his PT preparation is going. He was saying, "Sir, I think I won't be able to do it. I think I won't be doing it. I will be moving to regional area." And he used to tell me all those things, and I said, "Okay, do not lose the hope." What he was missing was, guys, the right guidance. He was missing the right guidance. Whenever he was going to the places, he was told something else, and that basically impacted his journey. That's why it took so long for him to get his desired score. So the guidance and the momentum were the points which were missing in his journey, because whenever he used to build the momentum and he did not get the score, he lost the hope, and then he took a little break, and then he started journey again, his journey, and then that momentum was very hard to build again. So that was, I think, what was missing in our journey. But then when he was going to the places and trying to get his score, he was getting information that he has to do this thing and that thing, and then he was basically getting more confused. So now the moral of the story is, guys, the right guidance is very important, as well as the momentum. If you have the momentum, do not waste it. Try and give the exam simultaneously. Try to hit on the right time. Now, Karan, do you want to share your experience on the things which we just shared?
I think you have spoken each and everything because as you said, like we had like daily conversation in between. I still remember the day when I was just sitting alone at home and just you gave me a call. I think we hadn't seen to each other like for a long time, and you just randomly called me, and I still remember that day. You said like how your PT is going. I said I just quit it. You said why? I said I just lost my hope because I can't make it because. Everyone is getting their score doing the same thing, but I'm not getting the score while doing the same thing in the exam. I don't know, somewhere I thought like maybe PT is doing something little bit unfair with me, so it is not the right course, and it is not the right way to get
Your desired
get
score.
your desired score. So so still remember, then I started my journey again. It is not like because I quit in between. Sometimes my destiny, come with me. Like maybe they just want me to stay long in PT,
Correct.
right? Like I still remember when you did call me, and I started PT again, and I don't know what happened that time. Actually, I quit again, and after later on, I started again. I did my lot of practice, and when I have booked my exam, and suddenly Corona came, and like just 2 days before, and PT giving me email, you have to postpone your exam because
Due to the virus
due
thing.
to the virus we can't make on this date. And then I start postpone my date maybe further 2 weeks, and it happened with me like 3 4 times the same thing. I got an email, then they randomly, I still remember the test center wasn't exist, right, and they just shipped me over there like you have to book that date for this test, and it was not existed. So I was like thinking, let's see what happened, and still as he said, I went to some PT center to just for my, because I was missing in speaking for last like couple of attempts. I used to get in PT, like I, even though I got 19 PT before, and I got it was surely like I got 19 each module, but not I'm not getting in each and every single attempt, right? And I was missing sometimes in listening, sometimes in speaking, and sometimes in reading, and sometimes in write. No, I didn't miss in writing much more actually. Even though I didn't practice seriously, I didn't practice in writing seriously, and I was just going to in the exam, and I was not thinking what's coming in the writing, what's the even though I don't read the what's the topic, like as a topic is coming, I will just read a couple of sentences, and I just try to write,
Right.
and just I write somewhere around 200 210 words,
Correct.
and just
Yes.
make up
I think in last couple of attempts we were missing in speaking,
speaking.
and then we met one day, and then we
Uh,
shared some strategies.
Yeah.
We shared some of the things. We applied that, and he got 19 speaking. And after that, I think you missed by a couple of points in reading, right?
Yeah.
77, right?
Yeah.
And then finally he got it. Now, guys, the thing is, you just sometimes need a push. Maybe he needed a push to start his journey again, and that's what happened with us. We got that push and started the journey, and that's the reason we did it today. I'm very, very happy that he got the score because he was trying from so long, and basically, a lot of factors delayed his journey, such as Corona. As he was saying, the exams were postponed for months and months, and then there was no point of giving the exam without preparation when dates, just become, randomly open. So there were a lot of factors, but the main thing is that you need to keep practicing every day. You need to know the mistakes you're making. You need to get the right guidance
Right.
at the right time. That's what was missing, and that's how he got the desired score.
That's the most important thing, the guidance. I still remember, like when I was not getting my score in speaking, I just this time I made a phone call. Okay. And he just asked me to come and visit. I just went for I think around 15 to 20 minutes. He just gave me brief things. He just explained me. He took my mock test. He took my mock test, and he said your read loud is fine, but you're still doing bit mistakes. So I said in final exams I don't do, but over here I don't know how I'm making these mistakes. So, and he just gave me his tips and tricks for describe image and read a lecture, and seriously it worked for me. And next go I got 90 out of 90 in speaking, instead of I got around I think in fluency, even though I didn't get 90, still I got 90, and I was so shocked because before I used to see all the score reports, the people are not getting in fluency and not in pronunciation, even they are smashing 90, right? But I thought why it's not happening to me, and when it happened to me, then I realized yeah, it can happen if you are doing the things in the right way over there.
Correct.
So,
Yes, guys, you need to do the things in the right way, in the right manner, and everything can be done, and everything is possible. So don't lose hope, as he did not lose the hope, and he got his score this time, and finally he is moving towards his permanent pathway. If he can do it, you can do it as well, guys. If you want more strategies, please ring us on the numbers given below. Share it with your friends and family so they can also get benefit. I'll see you guys soon. Good luck, guys. Thank you.
thank you.